guys, welcome to yet another episode. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Julie Gamine, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate the gesture. Guys, trust you me, this is the video nobody asked for. Just nobody. Random days in my life. Before we go into the video, let's roll the bumper. So guys, guess what? I'm having my first round of breakfast. Yeah. My first round. Me, I usually start off my day quite well. Super great. Imagine I am in the kitchen, just finished making my first round of breakfast, and tabletop ndo hawa sisi. Here we are. So I was journaling, then I did my Bible study and decided to start off my day super cool. So I just sat and felt I've not gone to work for 2 weeks. This is the second week. Today's on a Tuesday, and I thought, why not give you guys a random video, a random day in my life? Yeah, that's it. Kwanza, what I mostly eat in a day, because I've been eating a lot. When you want tips za kwade weight, I've been eating a lot, so I can talk. So let's do the vlog. So if you don't know the perfect meaning of eating healthy, I am the definition. So I have my watermelon, my sweet mandazis, not too many, and eggs, of course. Trust me, it was so delicious, and a cup of tea. I'm not a tea person. Yeah, then later I had to cook porridge because I really take a lot of porridge. Mimi na uji kai, I'm like a baby, lakini mimi ni mzima. So I had gone to the posho mill to get porridge flour. Then guess what? It wasn't fitting my normal place where I placed the porridge flour, so I had to put it in this basin. These are 2 kilograms of porridge. Don't mind this kitchen. No utensil have been washed, so place it nicely and cover it so that it's good and safe and protected. Yeah. So I cleaned my tabletop because flour has poured all over everywhere, so that I start the business of cooking the porridge. Me, I love my kitchen. The sink so clean. And I'm done. So here I am preparing my porridge. Just 3 cups of porridge flour, and my porridge is so healthy. It's not just any other porridge. Okay, I have peanut butter in it. I have thafai. I don't know what thafai is called in English. And I have a little bit of millet. Is it millet or sorghum? Which one between the two ndo inapikanga uji? Yes, either of the two. And a little bit of mhogo. Yes, the one with a hard part katikati. So we stir super well. Let me tell you, you see this nini for stirring, sikumbuki jina, works magic. Now we're cooking our porridge. It also works magic when you're cooking porridge and you're using it to stir. It makes sure that your porridge doesn't have particles, so you let your porridge boil super well, then you serve it. No, sorry, first of all you have to add milk. If you want milk, well and good. If you don't, it's also fine. Then you serve it. Once it's good, then you store it nicely, because you'll need it later, guy. Then the remainder, make sure you cover it, please. Then the remainder, we serve it to the cup. It's about to go down. Himeenda, guys. Me and my mug ya uji tunapendana, tuachanangi. I wash it. Then it was time for dinner. I didn't have lunch, so I just had some cute cabbage there, rice. I don't like my rice too plain, and then beans stew. Then later I decided to wash my utensils. If you've noticed, I only have very few plates, but cups, hey, that's where we draw the line. The way I hate washing utensils. If anything, please, whichever punishment you have to give me in life, make sure it does not involve utensils. It can never involve utensils. They make me sick. I'm one person who's gonna buy a dishwasher and another one just in case one is ruined or one is not in a good working condition. Ndo huyo mimi queen of laziness. Ama tunafaa niseme queen of not liking to wash dishes. Yes, that I am. I usually wash all my utensils and then rinse them all together. Then I place them on the sink. Zinamwaga maji before I put it in the utensil rack. Yeah, there I am arranging them in the utensil rack. Then I wipe off my sink. I make sure it's super dry, because I love a beautiful working space, a clean sink, as clean can be, or whatever you define clean to be. Yes guys, I'm done with my vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't. Have a lovely time. Bye.